Hi everyone. So we have discussed so far what is Node.js and the installation as well. Now let's begin with Node.js practically. Before we start, you must understand that we are using JavaScript only. So you should be aware of JavaScript language syntax and few concepts like function and function expression, arrow functions, this object, call, apply, bind, object literals, classes, inheritance, callback functions, asynchronous processes, ES6 concepts, destructuring, variable, let, const, hoisting, and other related JavaScript concepts. If you do not know all these concepts, you can check my JavaScript related videos for it. Once you are clear with those concepts, then only it will be worth watching Node.js sections. Okay, I'm keeping the related links in description also. So now let's begin with Node.js project. Let's create and open a folder named nj-node and then we will start working. I will open the created folder from VS Code. Here in VS Code, the left bar allows you to open Project Explorer. This is the explorer where you see all the folders and files used in the project. Ideally, when you want to create a Node.js project, you can use the Node Package Manager, that is NPM. But at the moment, we don't need to use any automated package manager. We will discuss NPM, NPX and Yarn in detail at later stage. So let's create a file manually at the moment to get acquainted with Node.js. I will create a file named first.js. Let's write a simple statement here. I will say console.log into the brackets, hi, this is my first Node.js program. Now we will save the file. Next question, how will we execute this file, as this is not to be executed in the browser, or I should say at least not now. So we can go to command prompt and run this code, or to make it more simple, we can open the terminal in the VS Code editor itself. Most of the editors have access to the terminal, that is the command prompt. So in VS Code, I will open the terminal and it will show the command prompt like this. Here we can run all our commands. For example, I use the dir command to see the list of files. Let's try the cls command to clear the screen. Let's do dir again. So now we see that there is a file called first.js and we want to run it. So let's type node space file name, that is first.js, which we want to execute, and press enter. And there we have the output. Easy, isn't it? Let's quickly try other sample code which will give you idea about using JavaScript in Node.js. Let's create a sum function. We have two parameters and I will say return a plus b. Simply we are calling this function twice. I'll say console.log sum value 5, 6. Let's try it again. I'll say console.log sum 34, 45. And now let's run the code. As you can see the output, it has executed the sum function and displayed the output. So now you know how to write and run the Node.js code. In the next section, we will create modules and we will try to import them in main file so that you divide your code into more logical modules and then you use it in a single file, so that will help you to create a better project architecture.